A steel fixer was engaged in covering rebar bundles with an HDPE sheet as a part of routine activity. He struggles to pull the sheet across. The wind catches it slightly. He loses balance, and he fell, fracturing his forearm. It could have been prevented. The steel fixer taken to Site First Aid Center and later transferred to Badar Al-Samah Hospital in Nizwa. Because the task was routine, the risk was normalized. But routine doesn't mean risk-free, where he was diagnosed with fracture on his left-hand forearm. Initial findings. HDPE sheets are provided over the plastic sheet as additional protection of the steel rebars. Worn-out hand gloves caused inadequate grip protection. Ineffective supervision during task execution. Task required 2 persons. Steel fixer has normalized the risk as the task was a routine.